Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the teeny tiny living things that inhabit our intestines and communities called microbiomes. A microbiome is a community of symbiotic microorganisms that share a common environment, in this case, the human body. These communities inhabit every single surface on the body, from our nose to our skin to our intestines. Normally, we think of bacteria as causing illness, but the body is full of both helpful and harmful bacteria. Every human has around 100 trillion microorganisms which comprise the microbiome. Most of our microbiome is located in the intestines. In fact, the colon contains 70% of all the microbes in the body. These intestinal microbia play a significant role in our overall health, including metabolic and nutritional processes. A person's environment can heavily impact the growth and translation of these microbes. So every time you pet a dog, eat a meal, travel, or use hand sanitizer, you change your microbiome. Okay, so now that we know a little bit more about these microbes and how they play a role in our body, let's look at celiac disease, an autoimmune disease in which the body attacks the intestines in the presence of a protein found in gluten and wheat. This causes inflammation in the intestines and damages the villi, the hair-like structures on the lining of the small intestine that are responsible for the absorption of nutrients from food. If the villi are damaged, nutrients are not properly retained and cannot be sent through the bloodstream to organs that need the glucose to function. Those with celiac disease have a different composition of microbes in their intestines than in healthy individuals. Patients with celiac disease have a higher amount of total bacteria, increased levels of harmful gram-negative bacteria, and decreased levels of protective gram-positive bacteria. This shows that any alterations of the composition of the gut microbiome can result in various diseases. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that can be used to replenish the good bacteria in the gut microbiome. However, probiotics are not considered to be a medication by the FDA, and they lack comprehensive clinical studies that would identify all the benefits of specific bacterium in relation to diseases. Just think. If we can identify a person's specific intestinal microbiome and personalize their treatment with a specific combination of probiotics, which would restore the gut to a healthy environment, we may be able to prevent or decrease the symptoms of celiac disease, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, obesity, and many other diseases. Microbiome research is the latest in immunology studies, which is why the National Institute of Health has funded the Human Microbiome Project. This project was developed to discover the role of the gut microbiome on human health and its influence on diseases. Overall, understanding microbiomes and probiotics will allow us to see our bodies in a new way.